Hi, question number 10, taken from June 2014, Advanced Level Maths HSC P3. The diagram shows the curve y is equal to 10 e to the power minus half x sine 4x for x is greater or equal to 0. The stationary points are labelled t sub 1, t sub 2, t sub 3 as shown. Find the x-coordinates of t sub 1 and t sub 2, giving each x-coordinate to correct to 3 decimal places. It is given, for the second part, the x-coordinate of t sub n is greater than 25. Find the least possible value of n. Okay, so here we are. This is your curve. Now if we need to find the coordinates of the stationary point, it means that we need to find dy by dx. So we're going to differentiate this. We're going to call this one. This is a product rule. This is u. This is v. So we're going to say u is equal to 10 e to the power minus half x, and then we have v is equal to sine of 4x. Differentiate this, you're going to get du by dx is equal to minus half times 10 is minus 5 e to the power minus half x, and dv by dx is going to be 4 sine. When you differentiate sine, you're going to get cos, so 4 cos of 4x. Alright, now to find dy by dx, we're going to say u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So u dv by dx is 4 times this, so 4 times 10 is 40. Then you have e to the power minus half x cos of 4x plus minus 5 times this, that's going to be 5 e to the power minus half x sine 4x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, plus and minus becomes minus, so we have 40 e to the power minus half x cos of 4x minus 5 e to the power minus half x sine of 4x. So 5 is common, e to the power minus half x is common, you can put 5 outside, e to the power minus half x, and then inside you're going to get 8. 8 times 5 is 40, 8 cos of 4x minus sine of 4x, and dy by dx at stationary point is equal to 0. So this is going to be 0. This goes here, it becomes 0 divided by this, so this is going to cancel out. So we have 8 cos of 4x minus sine of 4x is equal to 0. What can we do from here? We can say 8 cos of 4x is equal to sine of 4x. Now, so 8 is equal to sine of 4x divided by cos of 4x. And what is this? This is tan. So tan of 4x is equal to 8. So 4x is equal to inverse of tan 8. Put your calculator in the radian mode. So inverse of tan 8 is going to give us 1.44644. So 4x is equal to 1.4464. That's the basic angle. Alright, so because we're dealing with tan, so the other one is going to be here. The other positive value of tan is in the third quadrant, quadrant 1, quadrant 3. So this is basically pi. So pi plus the basic angle 1.4464. Okay, so plus pi is going to give us 4.588. So we have 4.588, 0 if you wish. Okay, so x is going to be this divided by 4. Alright, so that's going to be 1.147, and for this one divided by 4, 1.4464 divided by 4 is going to give you 0.361 0.3616. Therefore, to 3 decimal places we have 0.362 and 1.147. So here are the two values for the x coordinates of t1 and t2. Right, so now let's move on to the second part. It is given that tn is greater than 25. So if we look carefully, what do we have? t1, t2, t3, and so on, and we have tn. This looks like a progression to me. So what can I make of this? If I look at t1, this is 0.362, t2 1.147. Now, okay, what about t3? There's no need. Okay, so what is the difference between the two here? We have a common difference then. Common difference going to be this minus this. So 1.147 minus 0.362, 0.785. So 0.785. It's interesting to know that pi upon 4 is 0.785 anyway. So what is the first term? This is the first term. So we have, this is the common difference d. We have a is equal to 0.362. Okay, so what can we do? We told that tn is greater than 25. And what is the formula? So tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. If tn is greater than 25, then a plus n minus 1 times d should be greater than 25. And a is 0.362 plus n minus 1. We need to find n minus 1 times d. The common difference is 0.785. And all of that's going to be greater than 25. I can send this on the other side, so that 25 then minus, so n minus this times 0.785 is greater than 25 minus 0.362. (24.368), 24.638. So n minus 1 is going to be greater than 24.638, all divided by 0.785. n minus 1 greater than 31.385 something. So n is greater than 31.385 plus 1. n is greater than 32.385. Okay, and therefore the least value of n is going to be 33. Here we are for the second part of the question.